You want something extraordinary that no one else has. It is sitting right here. This is built by the famed American auto builder, John Byers. This is all lead work. This isn't a glass car. It is at a level all of its own. There is so much in the details. You could spend an hour look at the car and never see it all. Here's just a few things right off the bat for you. The rain well's all been smoothed in, has been chopped. All your fenders have been smoothed in. Look at how they did the headlights and the hood. But here's a big one. Normally, the pillars are straight up and down. They curved the door, they curved the whole window. Everything is beautiful. Yes, this is an air ride car. It's fully adjustable between the front and the rear. Means trailering, driveways, no longer an issue. You adjust it as you need it. Another note, all the bags are brand new, just done, no issues with the car at all. Running gear, 350 horsepower, turbo 350, automatic, 10 volt. It is rock solid. Why don't we talk options for just a second? Powered steering, disc brakes, powered windows, front and rear, AC and heat. This is a fully loaded build. It's gorgeous, and this is your opportunity to have a car by a famed builder. His name is John Byers. Look him up. It is gorgeous. Now, my name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. There are two things I want you to see on the car. There is a crack in the bodywork, and there is the slightest of a dent. It's right here. You can't really photograph it with the camera. This is not a big issue. There is paint in the trunk for you. Any body guide can smooth that out and disappear. These are the 3 switches that are underneath. This one is for your fan. This is for your pumps, for the air ride. And this is your wiper control. Now, on the wipers, the electric motor does work. The band just needs to be adjusted for the wiper blades. Underneath the dash, located on the right hand of the steering column, these are your temperature for your heat and AC controls. They're very smooth. They lock in very nice. All right, we're going to take a look at the center console. This is your stereo, and we've written down everything, how the stereo works for you. Okay. This is for your air. This is for the front. This is for the rear. And then your gauge, of course. Coming down a little bit. Driver's window, driver's side rear. Outside is for the passenger door and passenger rear. What a beauty. 41 Chevy Town Sedan. Every trick in the book on the bodywork is done. Remember, John Byers is one of Washington's leading builders. He was at a level all of his own. When we were growing up, we look at these cars in the magazines and we just wished that we could have them. Lead work is a lost art. Now everybody glasses them in. This will last you a lifetime. It is absolutely at that level. Every trick, every line, every gap is perfect. It is on an air ride. All the bags are new. Nothing for you to worry about. It's running at 350 with 350 horsepower, a turbo 350, a 10-bolt rear. It is rock solid. It's ready for a road trip. Features: disc brakes, powered steering, powered windows, front and rear, AC, heat, top of the line sound system. Everything you need is sitting right here. You want to cruise the boulevard and you want people to take notice, this is the car. One more time, my name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching our video. I'll see you next time.